How to unsilence unknown callers on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unsilence unknown callers on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let us begin. Now you can use this very same method to even silence unknown callers on your iPhone. So yeah, if you guys want to silence them, you can watch this video too. First, what you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you open your settings, scroll down all the way till you find phones. Now, if you are below iOS 18, you'll need to scroll down from here too. If your iOS 18 and above, tap on apps and go to the phone section. So go to P. After you've opened up the phone section, that is your phone setting, scroll down all the way again and there you should see silence unknown callers. Tap on it, and if it's turned on, you can turn it off to unsilence unknown callers. Now after doing so, you will get ringtones and calls from unknown callers. If you don't want that, you can come back here and turn it off. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you unsilence unknown callers on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.